This is the video of the micro torch, culinary torch for the kitchen, creme brulee, cheesecake. We made sugar-free little cakes. The set comes with the micro torch, unfilled, and 4 of these ramekins. Very pretty, very nice. And how to fill it up. You would take your butane refill, make sure that your torch is off, turn it upside down, insert the butane until the bottom plate of this gets cold to the touch, and you'll know when that is. You don't want to overfill it. Okay, and you turn it up, turn it on all the way until you hear the noise. Okay, and you're going to brown the top of this cake. I made the sugar-free cake, but I made it to where it's cooked through, but it's not cake-like consistency in the middle. It's kind of like one of those lava cakes. So here he is, brown the top of it. Gonna get a little crunchy. So when you put your first spoon in, your top's gonna be crunchy. It's gonna be really pretty. This is good for key lime pies, anything lemon meringue pies. Anything that you put a topping on, you want to put a quick torch onto it. Brown it as deep as you like it, or as not, or as light as you want it. And this is fantastic. And you can feel the top of the cake. It's a little crunchy. And then this one, of course, it's really hot, but it's crunchy where he had put the browning on it. And thank you. This is our review of the micro torch, the culinary torch for all your baked goods. Thank you.